Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So today we'll see advanced topic in a model development. So basically, we'll develop a plugin so that will automatically add block within your course. Okay, and that too at the time of creation. Suppose you have some block, not even just your custom one, even that is already available in the model, and you want to include that block on each and every new course creation, then how you'll be able to handle that you can handle without making any code change. Okay, so for that you can create a plugin, either that can be a local or the block plugin, and you can, with the help of event and observer, you can achieve that. Okay, so you can make an entry into this table, this particular table, that is this one, mdl block instance, and your block will be automatically added, and that is to at the time of course creation. And how you'll get that event, so getting that event, how that event will be triggered, we'll have to write within db then events.php. Okay, so this is my block name, and this is observer, and this is a function. So if I come inside observer, this particular function I can see there. Okay, and this is the complete code of observer. Whenever course created event will be created, and with this event, the core events course created, this particular observer will be called. And whatever you have written here, first we'll check whether you want to. So this is basically a configuration setting. Let me walk you through the system first. Okay, so if I come here under site administration, under plugins, so here under block section, I can see a block here. Okay, so this is basically a block, test block I have created. And here automatically add a block to new course. So if enable, this block will be automatically added to uh, a new course is created, when a new course is created. Okay, now I am trying to create a course here to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so I will come here under manage courses, and here, so ideally, at the moment I create this course, here that particular block will be added, and whichever block you want, even you can add, not just only one. If you call it in a loop, so this particular function, the first functionality, if you put this in a loop, and you can look through whatever the list of all the block we have, you have. All right, now here, let me put my name, the course, sample course 21st June. So this is my course name, and this is short name. If I click on save and display, I can see the block here at the right side. Okay, so this is what I have written the code. So this particular block will be added here. So this is the block name. If I come to directory, here custom assessment block is here. All right, so not just this one, you can add any of the block that is available in your system. Okay, so you have to write mainly here db event that will be called at the time of this particular core event is executed, and at the execution of this particular event within Moodle, these functions will be called. So this is basically called a callback function, and that callback you can write here within observer. Got it? See here in the settings, so under setting you find, the moment you check only, then this functionality will be working. So you will also have the command around the settings, so based on the configuration you can perform your task. So suppose I just uncheck here, and then I try creating that course, then let's see how it behaves. So if I save this one, then ideally it should not add, yes, it is not adding that block. And again, if I come back and make it enable and try creating a course again, then it will work. Yeah, so let me try here. Add a course. Let's say 13. Now save and display. Yeah, so it is added here. So this is how, not just this one setting. So based on whatever the setting, even suppose you have to add more functionality here, you want n number of here, and you want to give a text box like saying, uh, so put all your blocks that required to be added. But it's all black. Suppose you put it there, this timeline block, this my overview block, and recently access items block. Suppose you want to add more, so here you can either you can look through and you can write one by one. Okay, so if you are giving that in a setup here, so the admin can set up which all block need to be copied for a newly created course. You can also achieve that. And bit of coding here will be required. So currently you see only one instance I am adding here. You can add, you can run this in a loop in case you will have the multiple this block. Okay, so this is how the extension can be made within this plugin. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you'll be trying this errand, and there may be possibility you'll find some difficulty, so you can ping me here. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.